Whoa, it's so pretty up here. Whoa, awesome. What's up? We're about to go on a road trip right now up to, where are we going?
Ashland, Kentucky, in eastern Kentucky.
What are we doing there?
We are picking up the little girls that are babysit.
So we're going to get them road tripping. Anything else to say?
I'm trying to back up this Suburban right now. It's a little difficult.
It's a big car.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
Oh man, these are so good. So good, right?
Yeah.
We're on the road now. We are on the road. Down there on the end. There they are. Hey.
What? Have they moved your backpack? You're not going to bring it all the way back. I have no backpack. Yeah, because... Oh, wait.
We're back home, guys.
Finally.
What?
Finally.
Are you tired, Abby?
Alright, see ya.
I am in my house alone at 1:56 eating lunch all by myself. Okay, so right now I just finished my meal. It was really good. Now I'm leaving my house. I'm gonna go to Robbie's. He just bought a new car. Pretty exciting. So I'm gonna go over there, check out his new car, see what he's doing. Boom. Robbie Edward Allen. First car of your entire life. What do you think about it?
It's nice.
Are you excited? What's your favorite part? What's your favorite part about it?
The windows.
The windows. How do you feel? First car ever.
Good.
With that tape, you want to make sure to get it under the lip. What's up, guys? How's it going? Robbie really likes his new car. It's like later in the day now, time has passed. Our buddies from Louisville, Kentucky are coming in. We're gonna hang out with them, and then Robbie, Bryson, and their dad, we're all gonna hang out. We're all gonna go downtown for a family dinner. Guys, they're here. Fun. funny. Original. Fine.
Glad those jeans are ripped.
Scott and I were slipping away from this dinner to go to the top of a parking garage to take pictures and time lapses. Scott, you got any words?
Words.
We're going back to the restaurant to go check on the rest of the gang now, see what they're doing. What, Scott? Nice. You drank? You drank the whole syrup?
I think Spencer.
That's
Twist and shout. Come out there.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Hold on tight, buddy. I got my boy Bryson here.
Is he gonna drive you next year?
Alright, what is up, guys? Today was a fantastic day. How was your day?
Great.
Today was a good day. Hope you guys had a good day. We're all going to play a game night, right?
Right.
Game night tonight. Do you have anything else to say? Okay.